If you are an affiliate marketer, then this is the video you need to watch. The affiliate marketing niche is changing every day, and if you want to stay ahead of your competition, you need to use advanced tools and strategies. One of them is geo-targeting and tracking. Those became massively important in this niche. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up geo-targeting and geo-tracking in AzonPress. By the time, you'll know exactly how these features help you expand your affiliate reach without any extra hassle. Alright, let's jump into the setup. All you need to do is head over to the settings panel from the AzonPress nav bar. Scroll down a little and you'll find the Amazon API options. And that's where the configuration starts. First, here I need to provide Amazon API credentials. As I have already registered as an Amazon associate, so my personal API credentials are ready. So let's paste it in there. In case you need more guidelines on how you can do that, the documentation is right here. Alright, let's focus on the geo-targeting settings. You can see the three options here, but for now, we'll stick to country-wise targeting. This is powerful because it makes sure your visitors are redirected to the right store. To do that, first ensure from which store you want them to shop. Next, enter the tracking ID you got from your Amazon Associate account. And finally, choose the countries where you want visitors to be redirected to specific stores. In the same way, you can add more if you wish. Once that's done, let's press the update button. And the credential created successfully. Alright, now that your geo-targeting is set up, the next step is to see where your customers are coming from and determine which countries are generating the most revenue. This is super easy with AzonPress geo-tracking feature. Simply navigate to the geo-tracking settings from the settings panel. You'll see a page asking for your MaxMind API key. The API key is important to enable both geo-targeting and geo-tracking. Since I already have a MaxMind account, I just copied my API key here. If you don't have one yet, no worries, just follow the documentation link pinned here. Okay, it's time to hit the update button. And done. With that, geo-targeting and geo-tracking will work just fine with AzonPress. Now, if you go to the reports tab from the top, you will find an option called geolocation. So click on that and you will get a geo-tracking map. That's a nice feature where you can monitor clicks by visitor location. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.